Hello, fellow Binanceans. So we got a trading competition I want to show you. So if we go to Binance website and we look at these images, we get this one here. Welcome all Sol fans, $150,000 in Sol to be won. So if we click on that, and we can get an idea of what the rules are. So I've already registered. There are 7 days and 7 hours and a bit for the competition to finish. Currently my trading is naught, which out of 50,000, but it's only just started, and I think it rolls over after 1 o'clock in the morning or something like that. So I'll update at about 1 o'clock in the morning because I've actually already done some trading. So promotion A, so they generally have about 2 or 3 promotions. So promotion A, this is basically to people who are making deposits. So all users who make a net deposit minus withdrawal of 4 Sol tokens or more on their Binance accounts from an external source, excluding internal transfers on Binance, will equally share a pool of 20,000 in Sol token vouchers. So I think that so that means if you've got a Coinbase account and you deposit some Sol in that's more than 4 from, say, Coinbase, or you got a KuCoin account and you deposit some Sol from KuCoin, then so as long as your Sol goes up by 4, then you've made a deposit and you can take then you can go in promotion A. Okay, so promotion B, trade Sol and win 110,000 in Sol tokens. So reward 1, all new users that register for Binance account during the promotion period and complete a minimum total trading volume, including both buys and sells, of 5 Sol tokens on any eligible Sol spot or margin trading pairs, okay, will share in a prize of $20,000. Okay, reward 2, all users who trade 50 Sol or more during the promotion period will be ranked based on their total Sol trading volume traded on their Binance accounts, including both buys and sells across eligible Sol spot or margin trading pairs during the promotion period. The reward structure is as follows. Okay, so I won't worry too much about getting first place. You're going to have to trade millions of dollars worth of Sol to get that. Okay, so I'm not going to go for that, because the reason why I'm not going to go for that, if I open it in a new link, it doesn't actually say. Okay, so the Sol trading pairs. Okay, so eligible Sol spot and margin trading pairs are Sol BTC, Sol USDT, Sol BNB, Sol F, and Sol USDC. Okay, so all of these trading pairs, you're going to incur fees for trading. Okay, now if it was BUSD, I would definitely have a go at it, trying to come in the top 10 places. But because it's Sol USD, I'm just not going to bother with that. It's going to be very difficult unless you've got a lot of Sol, or are prepared to lose some money in your trades, and I'm not prepared to do that. So let's just go back up to this. So what do we need to do really? Realistically, we need to trade 50 Sol. So in other words, we need to buy 25 Sol and sell 25 Sol to get at least in this bit here. So this is really what we're going for here, this bit. All other qualified participants split 20,000 Sol token vouchers based on each user's Sol trading volume as a proportion of the qualified user's total effective. So in other words, it's pro rata. So in other words, the more you trade, the more you'll win. Okay, so exclude these top 10 winners. So you're not going to win massive amount. Maybe you'll win $5, maybe you'll win $10 or something. But the point is, it's worth doing because you can trade and make sure you profit when you trade. Okay, so in other words, you buy cheap and you sell more expensive. Now, what's this other one? Another competition here, promotion C. So quite often they do 3 different kind of promotions. So all users with total trading volume, including both buys and sells of 100 sold. So in other words, I'd be buying 50 and selling 50. And it's the same spot and margin trading pairs. Okay, so effectively it's USDT. Okay. So 40 winners were selected based on the challenge rules, each win $500. So basically it's just a random, okay, a random chance of winning. So if you can trade more than 100 SOL, so I would suggest try to trade more than 100 SOL. And if you do that, you'll also increase your amount that you're going to get in the reward calculation. Okay, you're going to get more here. Okay, you'll get double the amount, I guess. Okay, so try and trade 100, and then you also got a chance of getting $500 in SOL. You can also do it on margin and stuff like that. I'm not going to go into margin and do margin trading, so I'm not even going to discuss that here. But that will add on if you want to try that. That will add on to the promotion as well in terms of how much SOL you're going to trade. Okay, so lucky draw basically for the promotion C. Rewards will be distributed 2 weeks after. And so that's basically it. So let's just show a little trade history. So I've already started. So today is the 8th of November, and I've already put a couple of trades in. So this is kind of what I do. I will trade a certain amount and then just sell it. Okay, the same amount, roughly speaking. And the idea is you're just trying to gain a slight profit. So here I bought at 247.77. Okay, and then I sold it at 247.96. Okay, so the difference was about $3. Okay, and then trading fees will be in BNB. And as long as your trading fees are less than this amount, the difference here, then you're basically making a profit. So, and that's true. So I think this was about $1.24. Okay, so this amount and this amount is about $1.24. If you're not sure, you can always type it on, you can do a search on the internet and just do a check how much is that. Or the other thing you can do is just simply go into your spot wallet and see how much BNB goes down, how much it goes down when you've done a trade. And then you can work out how much it's cost you in BNB to do the trade. And so this basically will give you an idea of what the difference is. Okay, here 247.96 take away 247.77, so that's about a 0.2 difference. So I'm actually gaining, when it's a 0.2 difference, I'm gaining quite a bit actually. I'm gaining $3 here difference, $3 and a bit, and the actual cost is about $1.30, $1.40 I think. So I'm making a profit whenever it's 0.1 difference. So if I buy it for a certain amount and sell it for 0.1 more, then I'll sort of roughly break even. So if I just make sure that I'm selling it at 0.2 more than my buy price, then I'm always making a profit. Okay, and I'm also getting I'm getting my trading volume in. So I've basically done 9.39. Okay, so I've got to try and trade 100. So I'm a 10th of the way there, and I've got another 7 days, got plenty of time. Okay, so it's no bother. So let's just have a look at the SOL graph. So just to give you some other ideas. So one thing I use is like Bollinger Bands. So if you go to Trading View, and you can click on various things, various aids, various indicators and signals and stuff to help you out. So certain ones I like are the Bollinger Bands. So this is basically the average, the moving average in the middle, this purple line here. And then these are the top and bottom Bollinger Bands. And basically what they say is, if it's at the top Bollinger Band, it means it's overbought. So in other words, it's ready for a dip down. And the bottom Bollinger Band would mean that If it's down at the bottom, it's ready for going up. Okay, so effectively, if you hold it sol here, you should be kind of selling it and waiting for it to come back down here to rebuy it. So this is kind of all you need to do. We've got 7 days, guys, to do this competition. So wait for it to come down a bit, buy it, okay? Then wait for it to go up and then sell it, okay? And the other indicators is the stock RSI. If you have a look at these, basically these peaks, if you look in the history of the sol chart, so if you look at this peak here, you can see that it's on its kind of way down. Here you look here, kind of roughly it's at a trough. Okay, so this is the point where you can be buying. Here a peak. Okay, so here's the peak. That's where you should be selling. Okay, so that then comes down. Okay, again, so you buy here. So you can see you've got these indicators. So at the moment this is going up, so it's going towards its peak. Okay, so at this point you shouldn't be buying. You should be waiting, or you should be selling if you hold sol. Okay, so that's a little bit of TA, technical analysis. But sometimes when it's on a bit of a sprint, okay, it's over the Bollinger Band, it's going to keep on kind of going up sometimes, which seems to be on a bit of a run at the moment. And that is basically where it's kind of unpredictable. I mean, when it does this kind of thing, okay, it will crash at some point, but you just don't know when. It could just keep going up. You could just have a massive green candle up like this. You know, you just don't know with these things. These are indicators, remember, just indicators. They're not factual. It's not definitely going to happen. If it gets to this peak here, it's not going to suddenly start coming down. Okay, they're just indicators. So, okay, so good luck in the trading competition, guys. Hope that's helpful to you.